Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. Today, we will show you how to set up MetaTrader 4 on macOS devices. To begin, visit our website, hover over the platform menu, and select macOS under the MT4 tab. You will see this page with a button to download MT4 for macOS. Click the button, which will initiate the download for the MT4 macOS platform. Double-click the application and install the downloaded setup file. Proceed through the setup and click the Close button to exit the setup process. Open the MetaTrader 4 application and pick Login to an existing account. Search for IS6 and pick either the live or demo servers depending on your need. Enter your login credentials, which you should have received in your email. Congratulations, you have successfully set up MT4 for macOS devices. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!